Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rocco. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay, Rocco! You always eat the end of the candle. Yeah, it's hot. It's like fire.
More long.
More song. Why don't you sing happy birthday?
More.
Can you sing happy birthday?
More, Mama.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Uh-oh. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Yay, Rocco!
Where's the artist?
The candle?
Yeah.
You want to light it on fire?
Yeah. Who's that?
You can't do it. Bye-bye.